guys? Hope you're having an amazing day. I know I'm gonna have an amazing day. We're taking the MR2 Spyder. We're gonna go get some exhaust work done right now. So let's get in the car, let's go. So in the MR2, currently we're actually running no oxygen sensor on the upper part of the turbo because otherwise the car doesn't run it pretty much at all. So I'm pretty, again, I've said it a million times, I think that the catalytic converter is clogged. So finally today we get to unclog it, cut it out. But here's the sound. It sounds horrible. I mean, here, listen to this. It sounds like super ratty. But let's go ahead and get on the highway. We'll head over to the exhaust shop, get that thing cut out, put the O2 back in, try to see if the Commander works or the Apexi ECU works. I don't know if it'll work. I have no idea what's going on with that Apexi. It doesn't make any sense at all. So that'd be awesome if we plugged that thing in and it worked like a charm. That's the goal today. I can't wait to be using this car a whole bunch again. So I've been shopping some cars too. I found a black Tsunami Celica. I thought that's pretty cool. I found a red TRD. That's pretty good. There's some good Celicas out there right now. There's also an MR2 over here. Look at this thing. Can you see this? Right there. What's up? You're so beautiful. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh. Gen 2. Oh, that is nice. That is so clean. Let's go play with it. Anyways, listen to this exhaust. It's so loud. It does make the turbo noise still. And the car like backfires every second it can. It's totally the catalytic converter. Ugh. But again, I've had this catalytic converter on this car for like 10 years now. So, I mean, it would make sense. Look at that. Right there. So nice. I'll get the oh snap, yeah, oh my gosh. That is crazy. Oh yeah. I wonder if you could
it definitely got pushed out.
Look at
way
that.
Far.
You see the grooves?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
That's
crazy.
About 1.5 inches.
That's crazy. Yeah, that's exactly it. That's crazy. Okay, so he cut it out and you guys saw. This is what we're gonna be putting in here. So it'll be 3 the whole way. I'll probably paint it to make it look aesthetic again. So that's pretty crazy though. I mean, that is insane. So I don't know how bad, I mean, we'll see. Again, I wanted it to be like almost completely clogged, but you guys can actually see through on the camera. That you can see through, and then the crazy thing about it is though, is it's like one solid puck, but maybe when it got pushed all the way back like that, it was having struggle with air coming out. But I wonder, and you guys should comment down below, if some of the residue that was in the middle of it came out here, which is this kind of colored stuff right here, and some of that metal went into the exhaust canister. And it's in there now, and then that's struggling for some, you know, to be fully breathable. But I don't want to straight pipe it today. But I might come back and have them do something else. But this will see if it's an easy fix. Hopefully this fixes it all up. Man, I need a lift. So there we are. I'm still thinking that there might be stuff in here. So I don't know. I might ask him. Maybe I want to just have a quick exhaust come out here. Maybe you could build one and do that. But then it'd be straight pipe. It'd be so loud. I don't know what I want to do. I just want it to run right. right away, but it does that on the stock ECU. And then I put the O2 back in, so it sounds like a stock car, which is nice. But we'll see what happens. Man, look at this. Look at that. What is that? Oh my gosh, that has to be the particles from the catalytic converter. So dirty. All right, there we go. So 3-inch, so turbo, off the turbo and the flex pipe right there into the no more cat because it was rat garbage. This needs painted. 3-inch through all the way down into my custom exhaust that's flat. I turned it flat sideways, and then out my little exhaust right here. I might need to rotate this a little bit. There we go. Okay, very cool. So it sounds good. I mean, it sounds pretty normal. This needs to be repainted, so I'm probably gonna have to wrinkle coat that too, make it look nice and aesthetic. I don't have my battery tray. So a lot of things I still need to do, fix up a lot of things. That being said, the car should be fine to drive. Again, it's on stock ECU. I'm literally not using the Epexi right now because it won't start with that. Maybe this will fix it. So if this fixes it, I'm gonna be very, very happy. It'll be really nice. If it doesn't fix it, the car's probably gonna go to monkey wrench. I'm gonna do one more compression test too before I send it to monkey wrench. I don't want to send the car to monkey wrench and then it needs a new 2zz. I don't want to do that. But I'm really happy with that. It sounds better and I don't have to have the open O2. So I do need to tighten the O2. Let's go for a drive on the stock ECU 2zz turbo MR2 Spyder. Let's see how that works. And then plug in the Epexi, see if it starts. Fingers crossed it starts. That'd be amazing. I'd really hope it does. I'm hoping it does. All right, let's go for the drive. Seem to rev a lot more freely. So that's really good. It was kind of struggling. That's a very quick rev. Good, 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 good. I did clear the check engine lights. Believe it or not, the check engine lights on the ECU, you know, you shouldn't be driving hard. It needs a tune. It needs the other ECU. Is for the O2 sensors. So the first and second O2 sensor both through check engine light on the year 2000 CELICA GTS ECU. If you are going to do an MR2 Spyder NA build, the 2zz ECU from the year 2000 is a great option if you can find them. They've gone up. They used to be roughly $200, maybe $300. Now they're $500–600. They're hard to find. So if you are going to do the 2zz MR2, it's a great option for you. Or you could always go to like a full ECU black for $1,500, which is a lot. I've been running the Apexi 2zz, and then now I have the Apexi 2zz monkey wrench racing tune for this turbo. We'll see how it works when I go plug it in back at the house. But this actually works fine for now. If I couldn't get this to work, another really good option again would be to just remove this whole turbo kit, sell it, and then go back to a 2zz NA build, because this transmission is so good that I have on here. I forgot I have a TRD LSD transmission. In addition to that, I have those new tires that I forgot to put on here. They're nice. If you want to like feel better about driving your car, number one thing, go buy new tires. Fine. It's not fast. I mean, it shouldn't be. The stock ECU, it's not fast. We'll see if it pulled any codes when we go back home, but and it's an okay sounding exhaust. It's custom. It's still kind of ratty. It's not the best, but here we go. You can hear the boost. Little flutters. We're gonna do a miracle. Hopefully this thing starts the car, because you know that wasn't doing it before. We found out that the car wouldn't drive, and then once I got it to drive, the reason that it wasn't starting was the computer. I got the computer to go, so hopefully that fixes it. Let's try it. Okay, so same thing. So I'm glad I got that cat out. I mean, we're just chasing a ghost here, but I'm glad I got that catalytic converter out. But here, Apexy is now on. And I mean, it used to fire up right away. So timing or something's completely off. But the tune should work. Monkey Wrench said it would, but it just doesn't. So no go. And it skipped a beat a couple times. See that right there? It's wanting to fire, but it's not. So. Yeah, and it actually smells. I don't know, when it smells kind of like burning electric, which is weird. I don't know why that is. Why would that be with a? It's like it's not. That's a weird smell. Anyways, we'll unplug it and I'll put the stock ECU back on and it'll fire up again. So, man, I don't know what to do. This car is this. It's weird because it ran so okay. I mean, it ran good. Made 235 horsepower, and nothing changed. Just one day I just didn't like it. So I don't know. It's kind of weird. I don't know where I'm at with it, so what to do. I did put a fuel rail on it. It does have the injectors that are 440 cc's. I don't know. I mean, I can crank it one more time. It's just not gonna. It's not. It doesn't. It's not. It's not. It's like it's dead tune. So it's not even worth it. Let's put the other ECU back on. ECU fires right up. What is the deal? What is the deal? Why is that like that? I don't know. Okay. Well, I'm glad that I don't have that catalytic converter issue anymore. That was bizarro. But I mean, I spent 160 bucks on that to get that gone. What do I want to do now? I mean, I could literally just take the whole turbo kit off and then go NA again. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might actually do that. I might go NA again. I really enjoy this car, and I mean, I could ship it to Monkey Wrench, but I'm sure that way is gonna be multiple thousands of dollars. Especially if it needs a 2zz replacement, which I don't know if I want to do that. I don't know what I'm gonna do. We'll see. Maybe we'll go on an adventure and just start driving and heading out. I got new tires, right? We might go and head out there and drop it off and then see what I can have them do. But that's what it sounds like now. So let's go put the car away and I'll wrap up the video. So fun to drive an MR2 Spyder. If you've not driven one, you don't even need it to be that fast. If you can get, they're really bad handling stock, really bad. But if you can get coilovers on it, or even lowering springs on it, a short shifter, the 2zz-ge on it, and some nice tires, or a little bit wider tires, you're gonna be set for a good time. And then if you wanna go for more power, you can always boost the 2zz-ge with this kit, but that 2zz-ge is such an easy swap. It's like one motor mount and just a couple random parts here and there, and the 2zz-ge with VVTLI on it, oh my gosh, lift on it is pure bliss, and it's not even working right now, so I'm missing that feeling. But we did what I said I was going to do. Car definitely needs washed. We are now going to be working back on the Evo 9 MR again. I'm going to install, it's going to get a battery, a new oil sensor line, or sensor, and then a couple other little things. And then I think I'm ready to take it down to English, schedule an appointment for them, drop it off. So that'll be pretty fun. All right, like, subscribe, swingmymitch.com. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great weekend. I'll be right back with the Evo MR, and then we got to start working on that FRS. I'm gonna rip that clutch out of that thing. Like, subscribe, swingmymitch.com. See you guys in the next video.